I literally can't believe this is real. That's how excited I am. It is officially time to unbox my dream espresso machine. I have been waiting for this moment for years. She's pretty big and heavy. Here she is. I'm literally out of breath from getting this espresso machine out of the box. That's embarrassing. Let me show y'all what comes in here. So one of these things, I actually don't know what it's called. And like this stuff. What is this? Ooh. I'm gonna try to keep up with all this stuff because my husband's gonna help me with all the nitty-gritty because he's really good at reading instructions and having patience, and that's not really my strong point. So I'm just gonna keep all of this for when he comes in. He's mowing the grass right now. You might hear that. Ta-da! Here we go. Oh, look at this! A little frothing moment. I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That's mine. What in the world is this? It is insane to me how this thing is literally just like telling me what to do. Like I don't even have to think. It's getting me to test my water with the test strip. So I hope that my water is fine for this machine because that's a little crazy if it's not. Here we go. Dip it in a glass of water for 1 second. This feels like a science experiment. Here I have the glass of water. That's the same water I put in the back of the machine. And yeah, dip in water for 1 second. So wait 1 minute for the results. That's what we're gonna do. Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute. Our timer is done. These 4 are green and then that one's a different color. These 4 are green and then that one. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I have soft water. Whatever that means. I have to wash the little jug thing first, so BRB. We're back. Out what this thing is. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh. Yay. I set up my machine all by myself. Typically, my husband has to help me with like everything. Not anymore. As soon as I get my coffee beans, you best know I'll be right here back with y'all to make my very first latte on my new coffee machine. We are back with the beans. These beans were roasted on June 29th, so they're very, very fresh. Ooh, that is not coming open. Wait, is this like a little... Oh no! I messed up my pretty bag when there was literally a freaking... What am I doing? Okay, so this is what's supposed to happen. Some people measure out like a certain amount of beans, but I'm not going to be doing that today. What? Look at that! Oh my gosh! Guess what it just told me? It said, ideal pour. Your machine is now brewing cafe quality coffee. It's time to assemble my first latte from this machine. I am so excited. This looks so good. First sip. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I can't believe I get to make this every day for myself.